Okay, and this is number 6 on 2.1. This is your relative max or min. And they kind of give you a little bit too much information as far as the directions go. They give you the function itself. They say the function is negative x squared minus 11x minus 22. You really don't need to know that information. They graph it for you, and they even tell you the point of that vertex. And remember, the vertex is either the lowest or the highest point of a parabola or quadratic. So they really are just asking, does the function have a relative maximum point or minimum point? So remember, a max would be a highest point. A min would actually look like this and have a lowest point. So since we don't have a minimum this time, we do have a maximum. And the maximum is located at the point negative 5.5, 8.25. And sometimes they'll ask you in a weird way. They'll say the max occurs at, and you would put 8.25 when x equals negative 5.5. So you're actually rewriting that ordered pair. And what I do, because I know a lot of people get confused on this particular question, is I look for that x equals. And I know the x coordinate is going to go where the x equals. The other question will be answered with the y coordinate. So that's how you write that if you're getting confused on that particular part. So then they ask you, in what parts of this function is it increasing or decreasing? Now notice that we've gone back to increasing, decreasing. This is no longer domain and range. Remember, the domain and range are the only parts that you use brackets. So increasing, decreasing is parentheses only. And remember, you want to start from the negative infinity side and go to the positive. So from negative infinity to positive infinity, I'm going to start down here, and I'm actually going up to this point. So I'm going up, which means I'm increasing. So I am increasing from left to right on this first part of the function, which is from negative infinity all the way to the x value, because remember, you're using x values only, negative 5.5. And then here, I'm going down, and since I'm going down, I am decreasing from left to right. And remember, you start at the x value still, and I'm going all the way to positive infinity. And remember, I am going down, but I'm going on my x-axis from left to right, and the farther right I go, the more I'm going to a positive infinity value. So from negative infinity to positive infinity. So my increasing interval is from negative infinity to negative 5.5. My decreasing interval is from negative 5.5 to positive infinity. So I hope this helps you guys on your homework.